All right, everybody, we're going to get ready for Flashback 7. We're going to do some ordering again because we had some trouble last time, so we don't want to lose our skills. We were doing great at the beginning of the year, so we need to go ahead and make sure that we're still doing well. Okay, first thing I did is I put every number in the calculator. I put 1/3 times 100 to make it 33%. 300% was already a percent. Negative square root of 13 times 100 made negative 360%. 3.4 times 10 to the negative 1 power times 100 turned into 34%. And of course, pi times 100 is 314%. So let's come back over here where it says descending order. That means we are going down. That means we're starting with the biggest number and we're going to the smallest. So let's look here. What is the biggest number? 33%, 300%, negative 360%, 34%, or 314%? Well, if you look closely, 314% is definitely the largest. So we're going to put it first. Then we're going to highlight and backspace so that we can carefully delete it. And then we're going to look again and ask ourselves the same question. We're going down. So what is the biggest percentage? So if you look at all of those, it's definitely 300%. So that will be second. Then we're going to highlight it, backspace. All right, and now we've got three more. We've got 33%, negative 360%, and 34%. So we ask ourselves again, we're going down, so we're always going to ask what's the biggest. What is the biggest percent left? And that would be the 34%. So 3.4 times 10 to the negative 1 is going to be highlighted in backspace. And we ask again, what's the biggest percent? Well, 33% would be the biggest one left. And we'll highlight it. Always do that so that you don't get messed up. So finally, the biggest one left is the negative 360, but it's also the smallest, so you know you're right, because descending is biggest to smallest. Okay, so that's how you would do that. You would say pi, 300%, 3.4 times 10 to the negative 1, 1/3, and then negative square root of 13. Okay, you just have to be careful and make sure you're going the right direction. Write yourself notes so you know where you're going. Like, for example, you can write going down right there in Desmos, and then the question is, you know, I put my caps lock on, what is the, whoops, I didn't spell it right. What is the biggest? And then you just keep asking that question. If you were going up, you'd be asking what's the smallest. Okay. All right, let's see what's next. I think that's the only one we have on this topic, and we'll go to the next video.